Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase add on to something. This means to add something extra to an existing thing. You can add a new part, idea, or feature. For example, you can add on to a house by building a new room, or add on to a plan with more details. Remember, add on to is separable. You can say, add the feature onto the app, not add on the feature to the app. It is used in everyday English and also in formal situations. Some similar phrases are attached to and append to, but add on to means to extend or increase something. Common collocations are add on to the bill, add on to the contract, or add on to the project. Here's a quick example sentence. They decided to add on to the contract a new clause. Try using add on to in your own sentences today. It helps you talk about adding more things clearly. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.